Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Onyxcoin or XCN. So currently right now, Onyxcoin is trading at 0.01431. 24 hours, we are down 11% in the price here and volume as well down 33%. So a lot of action has gone into the last 24 hours. And essentially we're looking for any type of areas for a recovery or a temporary bounce. So starting off on the daily time frame here, we can see that the price is sitting just above our 78% of our Fibonacci at 0.011. Why this is important is because Fibonacci levels, this is good areas of support. However, if we do take a look at Onyxcoin during this time in between our 61% or 0.019 to 0.011, there was a lot of buying activity, a lot of liquidity that went into this time between January 17th all the way to January 24th. So in that gap here, price didn't really settle in for good areas of support here. So we don't exactly know as to where the next retracement level is, but we can see in a shorter time frame. And then we're going to get into the 4-hour time frame, but just briefly taking a look on the daily time frame, we can almost see Onyxcoin is struggling just a little bit here. The highest peak or highest pullback that we got here only gave us an RSI of 43%. Again, very, very neutral. We didn't get into a bullish scenario and we didn't get a close above our 20 moving average. So as we can see, 20 moving average is going to be the definite resistance line here for Onyxcoin if we're going to see any major moves over to the buyer's end. So as the price is coming down, we are looking for areas of support here. The RSI currently is at 28%. So we are in oversold territories, but that doesn't necessarily mean that the price is going to retrace upwards. We see momentum is favoring over to the sellers here by our MACD indicator. We are well below in our zero. So in the daily time frame, it is looking very bearish. When we quickly take a look on the weekly time frame here, we are still in this bull run as the 20 and the 50 moving averages are well below the price point as well. But it could be in danger if we do see that 78% because we can see quickly on the chart here, it is just above our 20 moving average. Monthly as well, we see this huge surge. Now, if we do see a monthly close approximately where the price is, this is going to be a bearish candlestick. Formulating and setup is essentially where we're seeing it on the monthly time frame. But let's take a look more on the immediate short term for 4 hours. And if we do kind of scroll out here, we see the marker that was an area. Oh my goodness, my voice. That was an area of support here at 0.0145. This area here was a good area of support. And then back then it was an area of resistance on January 17th. So in the future here, this is most likely going to be treated as an immediate area of resistance going into. And if we take a look, if there is any types of areas of support, there's really not much because we see this pullback closer to our 20 moving average around 0.0008. And then another pullback coming up just slightly above that at 0.011. So in this case, what we are going to do is just kind of see the orders in terms of the dollar amounts. And we can see it just slightly above our 78% of our fib at 0.011. So if we're looking for any traces of possible support lines, we're going to do it from this cluster all the way to this cluster. So the support that I'm hoping Onyxcoin can be able to settle in here would be around the 0.013. That may trigger some buying interest to see a temporary pullback. And if we can anticipate if the price does come down to this level, the gap between our 20 moving average and this level here for our support is going to be vastly bigger. So we may see a gravitational pull towards the 20 moving average. We are, again, if we take a look at immediate 4 hours, we are going into oversold territory. Just be very cautious here. We've seen Onyxcoin drop below 19% and even lower around 11% before finding any type of stable support. So as we can see here, I'm kind of leaning again more bearish signs. We've seen it all throughout Bitcoin and all of the altcoins in the last 3 days. Possibly my lowest here is going to be 0.013. We can see it at the very bottom of the outskirts of our Bollinger Band. So if we might have some buying interest at that end, or we might come into this consolidation range of 0.011 to 0.013. But definitely let me know what you guys think down below here. I know this is a bearish market as we're looking on the daily time frame and then immediate short-term time frames following after it. So we are looking for any type of pullbacks and reevaluating it when the price does come up to that 20 moving average to see if we have any type of shift of momentum. But definitely drop your thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe as well, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.